Hi, my name is David, and today I want to show you new function in SD Sales Portal Pro called IBAN account. First, you should go to Settings. Now, in Offer Settings, you have new section IBAN Settings. If you want to use this system, you should turn on this setting, and you can change to this field is required or not. If you use commerce application, you can choose remember to choose payment type, and this means that a user during creating offer can decide how want to receive payment for the offer. Now you can create first offer. As you can see, we have step 6, and in this step you can enter the IBAN account's number. This field is verified with IBAN standard, and as I say, we allow the member to choose payment type, and member can decide how can want to receive the payment. If you use internal system, that works normally, and all payment will be with using commerce application. But if you use IBAN account number, that members see new option. Now you must enter your data. Okay, now we have offer, and let's check how this work as normal member. Okay, we have the offer in view normal member. As you can see, we see normal buy button, and we can choose shipping method. And if you want, you can add additional information to seller. Now save the form. and we see order review. We have payment details, comment which we can add, and order details.